Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how we can do Linux string substitute, which is SED. SED command is the most powerful command in Linux. So here is the task. There is some data on Nautilus app server 2 in Stratus DC. Data needs to be altered in several of the files on Nautilus app server to alter the home BSD.txt file as per the details below. Delete all the lines containing the word code and save in this text file. Replace all occurrence of word and to for and save results. Let's say you are asked to replace to with from. In that case, make sure not to alter any words. So this is basically for example, you have a file with multiple words and it contains, for example, from. You just need to update it to within. Wherever from is there, you need to update it to within. It's like simply find and replace method in Windows. That's how we do it in Linux. So this is by using the SED command. So here they are saying to log into app server 2. Let's log in SSH. This is app server 2. User is Steve. Enter. Are you sure you want to connect and continue connecting? Yes. Password, we can copy it from here. We have logged into Steve. Now what is present in this file? Let's look into it. This is like where we accept terms and conditions. This is similar to that. So after that, delete all the lines containing the word code and save the results. So for finding a word, we use the command grep -v verbose. Code is the word. In which path? Home. Which file? BSD.txt. Now we have to copy it to wherever code is there, it will move those lines to home BSD underscore delete. We need to give .txt. Enter. Permission denied. So we have to give sudo the same command. Okay, permission is denied. Let's go to home. Let's check how it is. it is having read write to Steve. Let's do one thing. Chmod 755 BSD.txt. Again, permission denied. Let's try with let's try without sudo. Still the same. Think some issue. Machine is stuck. Let's log in again. SSH Steve @ IP address. Let's try one more thing. First, let's create this file and then let's save it. Permission denied. So that means there is an issue. Where is home? This is home. This is with the root access. So hence this is having some issue. Here write permission is not there for others. That's the issue. So for that what we have to do is sudo -s, the password, enter the password. Now we logged in as a root. So to the root user we need to grant permissions. 755 it is not working. 777 home. Now let exit as a root. Now we logged in as a. Let's run this command again. Okay, got logged out. Let's check whether history is there or not. It's not there. Let's type the command again. grep -v code In which path? Home BSD file. We are redirecting it to home BSD underscore delete dot txt. Okay, now this got created, and if you see this file, okay, it's done. Now the second step is replace all occurrences of word end to fur and save the results. For this, we have to give sed is the command, single quote, end is the command, B is like for breaking the line, for we need to end it with G. Starting with S, end is the source, the replacement name is for home BSD.txt. We need to redirect it to home BSD underscore replace dot txt. If you see BSD underscore replace, here is the one. This is before, right? So wherever for is there, wherever end is there, we need to replace it with for. So if you see the second line, this is the one. And if you check the same, we have replaced it with for. So what we have done is to accomplish the task we have done. So to accomplish the required data alterations on this server, we have followed the steps on the command line. We have outlined the commands for each task. Those are the two commands we have used. We have gripped the code word and then filtered out the lines that contain the code, and then the result is redirected to bsd underscore delete dot txt. The next step what we have done, we have replaced and with fur and then saved it in BSD underscore replace. Why we have used slash b? So that the complete name ensures that only to as a distinct word it is replaced and avoid the partial matches. So for example, there is a word called tends with a and d. We are replacing end, right? Band is there, husband is there. There are many words it ends with a and d, right? If you see how many words that end with a and d. There are multiple words. So for example, if there are any of this word in that file, so for example, here we have Ireland. So as per our SED, what it will do, it will replace A and D with fur. So it will come as AIRLFOR. So the word itself, it will change. To avoid that, we have given that command, this one, slash b, so that it will replace exactly. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.